To enable and use the double tap to turn off screen feature on Samsung Android devices, follow these professional steps carefully. Go to the Settings application page. Scroll down through the menu until you find Advanced Features, then tap to enter it. Inside this section, look for an option called Motions and Gestures. This area contains several smart interaction settings designed to improve usability and convenience. Once inside, locate the feature labeled Double Tap to turn off screen. Toggle the switch to the ON position to activate it. After enabling this option, your device will support a quick gesture-based screen lock. To use the feature in daily operation, simply go to your home screen or lock screen where there is an empty area. Avoid tapping on apps or widgets. Then, gently but quickly tap the screen twice in succession. If done correctly, your phone display will immediately turn off, placing the device into sleep mode. Simple, efficient, and keeps your physical buttons lasting longer. If you found value in this, subscribe to Tips and Tricks for more daily Android optimization. Catch you in the next one.